Affiliate marketing tips you have to read. Affiliate programs make use of the huge online market to create some extra cash, which is always welcome in these hard times. However, if you're just starting a site or your site isn't making much profit, you might not know what to do. This site contains useful tips and tricks to noticeably improve profits. To sign the best contract possible, review it carefully before signing. Some companies might ask you not to sell anything else outside of their products. This will eventually keep you from earning more money and you will find yourself tied to one program that you might not be satisfied with. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. You can raise the amount of curiosity surrounding your product by giving users half of the information advertised and telling them they have to sign up in order to get the rest of the information. This makes them feel like they are privy to guarded information, and this exclusivity will prompt them to make more purchases. When you write content for your pages in order to push your affiliate products, you need to make sure that you're writing for basic readers. This isn't the Wall Street Journal audience. Leave the numbers and statistics out of it completely, and do not go crazy painting your pages with purple prose. The simpler the better when it comes to writing. As was mentioned before in the video, affiliate programs can be a very nice source of income. However, if you're lazy and uninterested in making your site attractive to your audience, your site will surely fail. You need to put in your time and effort if you want to see any rewards. Student loan.